What up, you guys? Tune in with your boy Southern Smoke Boss today. So today I got some chicken legs, man. I'm gonna be cooking these up on the grill, and I got some of this. This stuff is amazing, man. MOJO Marinade, that Badil brand. I'm telling you, this one is killing the game, man. They even got some seasonings just like this. If you ain't tried it, get you some of this and try it, man. So today I'm gonna just be pouring it in, letting it marinate for 24 hours. You know, I can smell the garlic, the salt, the onion powder in here, and a lot of herbs, man. It smells amazing. So we just pour it on over there, and I'm telling you, you ain't gotta cut the chicken or nothing. It get all in there, man. So I'm gonna keep just a little bit, just to base it with, just a little bit, you know, maybe a quarter cup. And we go base it with that. And look, we ain't gotta take it, mix it up or not. I'm telling you, just let it sit just like that. Just push the chicken down in there. That flavor will get in there, man. Just y'all wait till y'all see this. I wish y'all could even taste it, man. But stay tuned for this. See you in 24 hours.
All right, so we know let our chicken marinate 24 hours. I'm getting off work now, so I'm about to go ahead and throw it on that grill. And it's about to go down, man. It's about to be some good tasty chicken. I'm gonna just be cooking straight over some charcoal in my burrow house. I can already smell it hitting the grill. All right, let's go ahead and put the top on there. You guys stay tuned for this. All right, so what we've been waiting for, I know I'm waiting for it. Man, it smells amazing, you guys. Hey, so yeah, if y'all just looking for something real simple, man, I'm telling you, it smells amazing, tastes good. Hey, the MOJO is the way to go, and it's pretty healthy too, I think. Thanks for tuning into this video today. Peace out.